Hello crochet lovers and welcome to my YouTube channel Spaß mit Faden. Today I want to show you how you can crochet these lovely adorable little hearts under 5 minutes. Please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel Spaß mit Faden so that we can crochet more often together, and to like and comment this video. As always, I really hope that you enjoy the instructions now. I now want to start to crochet my little heart by creating a magic ring first. Then I want to insert my hook into my magic ring, pull up a loop and crochet first 4 chains. This is my first, second, third and my fourth chain. After my 4 chains, I want to crochet into my magic ring first 3 treble crochets. This is my first treble crochet, my second treble crochet, and my third treble crochet. And after those 3 treble crochets, I want to crochet 3 double crochets into my magic ring. This is already my third double crochet. Now that I crocheted my 3 double crochets into my magic ring, I want to crochet 1 chain and then again 1 treble crochet into my magic ring. After my treble crochet, I want to crochet 1 chain and then I want to crochet 3 double crochets into my magic ring. This is my first double crochet, my second and my third double crochet. Now that I've crocheted my 3 double crochets, I want to crochet again into my magic ring 3 treble crochets. This is my first treble crochet, my second treble crochet, and my third treble crochet. And after those 3 treble crochets, you again want to chain 4. This is my first, second, third and my fourth chain, and then you want to insert your hook into your magic ring and crochet 1 slip stitch and 1 chain. You can now cut off the end of your yarn like this. Pull on your hook and pull your yarn through the last chain that you crocheted. What you now want to do is to just grab your magic ring and close it by pulling on the yarn end. Please make sure to do that very softly so that the yarn end doesn't rip off. And now you crocheted your beautiful little heart. All you have to do is to make the yarn ends disappear at the back. Now that I completed to crochet my little hearts, these are the beautiful end results. As always, I really hope that you enjoyed to crochet together with me and that you make sure to subscribe to my channel Spaß mit Faden so that we can crochet more often together. I really hope that you love crocheting as much as me and that we see each other the next time again.